Myself Sanjay Bhatia, I'm Sales Director at Aaztec India, and we are the first company who is actually making Make in India visible. We are not importing any material, any panels directly. We are actually manufacturing in India. We have a full-fledged factory at Manesar, right? And catering all Make in India, Digital India, and vocal for local. This kind of initiative we are actually promoting. And we have a wide range of AV products, AV and IT products. So we are actually promoting these initiatives under GEM and as well as all corporate and government customers. Depending upon requirements, so we have executed already the multiple projects like ICT labs. We have a smart class solution. Under smart class solution, we have variety of display products like we have 16:9 aspect ratio with IPD category and 21:9 also. Other people are not having that category. I think no other party is having. Maybe one or two might be having. So these kind of things are there. Market is growing on a very rapid mode, and we expect by 2024, end of the 24, it should reach around, there should be around 18% growth, industry growth. We have full-fledged team of services. We have a different concept. We have experience center concept. So wherein in metro cities we have established experience center wherein we have kept our all display products on display for customers and users, and there also we have a team sitting, service team sitting, and they are executing the things. Yeah, message yesterday I attended that IT partner meet. So everybody, the major challenge for everybody was the profit. That profit is a major concern now. So going forward, if IT partner can add these signage industry segment also, it will multifold their profits.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.